I can come up with more.
We'll move right into the regular meeting then. How's that?
All right. If I could just address what we had tried to get accomplished, because you know that I'm the one who asked for this forum and initiated it. They all agreed. I prompted the forum, and the forum was designed to bring all the topics that you've talked about for a number of years now, and you feel frustrated with the answer that you were getting, or being ignored, or all that. And while as painful as it is to hear that things weren't addressed and aren't currently being addressed that meets what you think needs to be addressed, the whole focus of this meeting is to bring that back up to the table. You notice that we have taken notes on these pads. We're going to formulate all this into a plan that we're going to actually sit down and we're going to say, here's what the people said that they thought was important. And we're going to address that as a board, every item that you talked about. Now, Mr. Bartlett is tremendous in his ISO world over there of actually keeping on point and putting things in plan so that you can say, this is a priority, this is where we're at today, where we're going tomorrow. So all these things that you brought up, which are a lot of the same things you brought up last month and last year and 2 years ago, didn't get any farther than it did, so you got a sense of frustration, and that's totally valid. But what we tried to do is bring it back up again in a different light, and this light is putting in part of a plan. Mr. Bartlett started out with your plan that you have, that's now part of the minutes of the meeting, and trying to stay on focus to try to keep it and say, let's not get lost in the shuffle of things that are happening day in and day out. And we talked about it 2 months ago, and it's on the back burner, and the back burner never gets addressed. So it sounds like the same stories, but what we wanted is a fresh start for everybody to throw their 2 cents in and feel that, okay, at this point in time, even though you've said it a number of times before, we have it now committed to writing. We have it down to where we're going to actually formalize all these plans into a document that we're actually going to use as a working document. And we would hope that periodically we can report back to you folks that this is the status of a lot of these things. I mean, there could be differences of agreement, there could be differences of opinion. That's okay. The whole idea is that we're talking about the subject. If the subject's not dealt with, it goes to the back burner and it never gets addressed. And we know that there's a lot of priorities. I've intentionally stayed out of this discussion because I have some biases of my own that I get involved with. But truly, we understand building a station is a tremendous task. You know that if I say today we got the money, we're going to build a station, it's still 3 years until you guys move into the station. You know that. Building it, constructing it, architect fees, all this other stuff involved in it. By the time you construct the building, shake out the details, it's 3 years until you move into that. So you got to do it right. You got to plan it right, and you got to do it right. Getting back to master planning, I think, is some elements that we're looking at. But this is a forum that we thought we'd at least give everybody a chance now to say, okay, I had my input into it, and we have it down. We've heard you, and we're committed to writing, and we're going to revisit that. And I think that, I'm not speaking for everyone for the board, but the Marlboro really would like to report back to you periodically, quarterly or semi-annually, that, okay, here's the list that we've talked about, here's what we formulated, here's a prioritizing, because you have a priority, we have a priority, everybody has their own idea of priorities, but we're working on the ideas, and they're coming, some of them will come to fruition, some of them are in the pipeline, some of them we're just not going to deal with at this time. And so you know there's going to be some progress made. And that's our commitment in this process of getting this out. So I personally thank you for all the input you have, because it's a lot of it's the old stories that had come up, and you're equally frustrated today that you were last year. But on the same token, give us an opportunity to have a fresh start in that process, and then we will go forward from that. Okay? Thank you. I do appreciate that. Mr. Bradley, do you have anything to say?
No, I think you covered it very well, and I think it's important that you recognize this is not just going to die here on this piece of paper. Okay, the board will look at it, and we'll try to include and incorporate a plan. And I just want to answer Mr. Brossman on one question about why no one from the village is sitting on the Dottie's plan. I learned something tonight. I'm new on the board. I'm not sure what the answer is. I've been looking for a plan, and I didn't know we had property on Burns Road. So that was good for me. But I do have some questions, and I do want to look at some type of mapping of where the calls are so that we can systematically design what's best, not only for now, but for the future. Thank you also.
Okay, we'll move to the regular meeting. Do a roll call, please.
Mr. Bartlett.
Here.
Mr. Britton.
Here.
Mr. Brossman.
Here.
Mr. Porter.
Here.
Mr. Tackett.
Here.
Mr. Wayman.
Here.
Chief Silky. Here. Mr. Murray.
Here.
Mr. Lawler.
please join us in the pledge. Also, not to interrupt, passing around here is a signature thing we need filled out. Driver's license, social security number, expiration date of driver's license for the signature card, right? Okay. We have a motion by Mr. Brossman. Is there a second?
Second.
Second by Mr. Bartlett. Any questions on the minutes? Roll call.
Mr. Britton?
Yes.
Mr. Brossman?
Yes.
Mr. Court?
Yes.
Mr. Tackett?
Yes.
Mr. Wayman?
Yes.
Mr. Bartlett?
Yes.
Okay, we have bills and payroll. Bills totaling $79,743.79. Payroll totaling $34,407.08. The total of $114,150.87. Is there a motion to approve?
So moved, Mr. Chairman.
Moved by Mr. Wayman, second by Mr. Brodsman. Questions? I just had a couple, Jackie. When I started signing checks, I started out with 33. 32 wasn't there. 34, 5, 6, 7, 8, 42, and 43.
This was for the 17th, the checks that printed tonight were for the 18th, so the 17th were approved. They were on the list that was given out earlier.
Before.
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll update them to the 18th.
Okay. Any other questions?
Just one, Mr. Chairman, in the warrants list, the check number 440 is not closing yet. We had discussed if there would be a void, that would be noted as a void, so there'd be consistency in that.
Right, but each trade doesn't have, it's in the printer that is voided, and why it doesn't print on this specific list. I'm trying to incorporate probably a very similar cash disbursements journal that will include voided checks. This time the software doesn't have it in the same written form.
Okay. Can we make a notation until it does?
Sure.
Go through this note, okay? You recognize this receipt will go to
All right.
Okay. Roll call?
Mr. Brown?
Yes.
Mr. Court?
Yes.
Mr. Tackett?
Yes.
Mr. Wayman?
Yes.
Mr. Bartlett?
Yes.
Mr. Britton?
Yes. Okay, we'll move to the public portion. Have anything to say right now? We'll listen to you again, unless we already had it. Or I think we're done, huh?
You think?
I'm giving you a second chance.
Well, wait a
Okay, we'll move
second. Do you have an agenda that I can have?
on. Jackie, got agendas?
I didn't print the extras. I usually do.
Print the extras.
Very basic tonight.
Okay, we'll move on to committee reports. I pretty well gave the building part of it. Communications, Chief?
Oh, the only thing we're moving along with believe it or not, we lost our IT name? Is that what we call it? Just not on a serious note, Lieutenant Van Kramer, he had a death in the family and has been gone for the last week or week and a half. He was right in the middle, and he's done some things, experiment to get going on our email, and hopefully when he comes back, I think he'll be back on Friday, we can get back into finalizing the web page. And right now he's done some experimental things. Some of the officers at least have email. I think they've gotten into email. Is that working okay? So it's kind of a step he did before he left, and hopefully we can